Fluffy eggs. First, I prepare 3 fresh eggs. I crack 3 eggs into a large bowl. Then use a spoon to gently separate the 3 egg yolks into 3 small bowls. Next, I use an electric mixer to beat the egg whites until stiff. At first, the egg whites will be runny with large air bubbles. We'll need to be patient and continue beating until the whites become fluffy. Turn a creamy white color, the air bubbles disappear, and the mixture thickens. I place the skillet on the stove, add a little cooking oil. Once the skillet is hot, I carefully spoon the whipped egg whites into the pan. Using the back of the spoon, I gently shape them into 3 neat round patties. Once they are nicely formed, I press lightly in the center of each patty to create a small well, preparing it for the next step. Next, I gently take each egg yolk we separated earlier and carefully pour it into the indentation of each egg white patty. Finally, I cover the pan and cook over low heat for about 4 to 6 minutes, depending on how runny you like the yolks. After about 5 minutes, the eggs in the pan are perfectly cooked, so I transfer them to a plate. This is a low-fat dish that's rich in protein, delicious, and perfect for breakfast or a healthy diet. The soft, fluffy egg whites combined with the rich, creamy yolk that melts in your mouth